Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ZTE Axon 7. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing app called CLONEit. Then open it on both devices. Tap Allow and Agree. I want to go with Sender on an Android because I want to send my files, and Receiver on ZTE Axon 7. Now allow access to the location and contacts. Tap Search again and click on available device. In this case it will be this Android. You have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will go with scanning, so I have to tap Allow and Scan. Accepts connection request, and you have to tap all of those folders to select all your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will click here to choose details and select only one file, for example this song. So I have to tap on it, click Start, OK, and wait. Then tap Finish on both devices. And when I go into, for example, File Manager and tap Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!